Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper versus Toyota Corolla. Let's dive into their core differences. The Mini Cooper is known for its go-kart-like handling, making every drive feel exciting and dynamic. In contrast, the Toyota Corolla prioritizes a relaxed and stable ride, perfect for everyday errands and longer journeys. When it comes to power, Mini Cooper models typically offer more spirited engines, delivering a punchier acceleration experience. Next, let's consider fuel efficiency and long-term reliability. The Toyota Corolla consistently delivers excellent fuel economy, often achieving over 35 miles per gallon, making it a very economical choice for daily driving. While Mini Cooper models offer respectable efficiency, they generally don't quite match the Corolla's numbers. Furthermore, the Toyota Corolla has a strong reputation for being incredibly dependable, often requiring less maintenance over its lifespan.
As your soup nears completion, it's time for the staples and final touches. During the last 10 minutes of cooking, incorporate your choice of soup noodles or homemade dumplings, ensuring they cook through. Stir in fresh herbs like thyme and a whole weary pepper for that. Your delicious Guyanese soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully ladle the hot, hearty soup into individual bowls, making sure each serving gets a good mix of meat and vegetables. For an extra burst of freshness and a little heat, garnish with some fresh chopped scallions or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. It's truly a comforting and flavorful meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals we've put together just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.